Brad Williams, XL Prime. So let's go in and make that change. We can go in, we highlight the range, go to conditional formatting, manage rules, edit rules. You see where it says B4 equals 15. Highlight the 15, go over to G4. And we want to keep this in absolute because we don't want, we modify this, the range here. If we add a few rows, we want to make sure this set number doesn't change. Hit OK, hit OK. If we go in and we said less than 15, well, let's say we want to see numbers less than 10. Change this to 10, can change this number accordingly, and it will change with whatever format we set. Can change this 10 to 16, and you can see it automatically changes. That's conditional formatting, changing a color if less than 16. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.